you eating? Don't do that. Can't really see well here. I'll try to edit it. Hey, don't eat the wood. There's not really much snow left. I'm not gonna be out here long. It got chilly. Hey! Hey, you! Hey, you! Hey! Come here! So goofy. What are you doing? Just found a stick in the fence? I'm trying to stay in the light, sweetie, okay? Let's see if I... The exposure's not really helping, but... Hey! You can't eat the stick, crazy. I'm afraid if I throw one of your toys, I'm not going to be able to find it. Where's your other piece of wood, huh? Hey, let's go find it. Let's go find it, silly. What are you doing? Come on. Hopping through the snow. Can't even keep up with him. He's all over the place. Boris. Hey. Boris. Come here. What are you doing? Run in circles. Can I have your stick? Probably not. You have snow on your nose, you goofball. The shadow's in the way. Hey. Can I have the stick? Can I have your stick? No. Oh! What are you doing? You lost it. Oh look, I found it. I found it, silly. There you go. Not staying much longer, honey, okay? It's too cold. Not for me, but it might be for you. Come over here. Ooh, that was a giant jump. Come on. Get it. I'm trying to get it on camera, but he's not letting me. It's all over the place. I'm not going to try to take it from you because you're just going to pull it away, honey. What's this? What's this? Oops, did I zoom in? Yeah, I accidentally zoomed in. Sorry about that. Hey! Look! You gonna get it? You gonna get it? Get it! Woo! He almost did, but I didn't get it on camera. Woo. Jeez. Couple more minutes, okay, sweetie? That's it. Nom 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 nom. Wish I could get like more light in this thing. Videos suck. You want that one? You want it? Do you want it? Yeah? Do you want it? Yes? He runs faster than the stick can fly through the air. Hey Boris, look what I got. Come here. This side. I don't know, come around. Come here. You're not doing it. Sit. Shh. Shh. Thank you. All right.